Hey guys, this is my first video on this channel, and in this video I am going to create a landing page without using any kind of software like WordPress or any kind of coding. It will be so easy. Also you will be do it by free because you don't need to pay for anything. Let's start our work. Also feel free to subscribe to this channel because I will upload this kind of videos um, more often. Also this will be a video series. In this video I will be choose pre landing page template, and I will run it on our computer. After that I will add to our project, add this project to uh, code editor. So it will be a so easy task to do. Also um, yeah, it will be easy. So let's start. So I am use HTML, WordPress and CSS. So but you don't need to worry about those things because we only edit the text fast. You will see what I'm talking about. But first of all, let's find a good template because there is lot of template developed by other developers, so we only need to use that and edit it. So it will be so easy. Also those are available for free, so we have to search on Google free HTML5 WordPress, sorry, not WordPress, HTML5 bootstrap landing page. Okay, so there's lot of result. Just click the first three result. We will find good bootstrap and HTML5 template. Let's find our templates. There's a really good template on this website. uh, First of all, you don't need to get this kind of WordPress template, so skip when it say like WordPress. Also this is WordPress template too, so just skip it. This is WordPress, this is the normal template, so we need this kind of template. Just read the description and you will see it's WordPress or not. So in my case I will choose something like, I had few landing pages and this one is beautiful and it's so cool. So let's find few others. Let's check on this website. What about this? Let's check it. Live preview. It's not a cool one. Let's check in. What about this one? Make sure to find something simple with, I mean simple design, because it will be easy to edit. If you find complex template, it will be hard to edit. This is another best template, but I will not choose it. For me this template is really good, so let's edit this template. Is that free? What is that template? Yeah. Just click more info button and click on download. This is my downloaded template. So let's see our template folder structure. Yeah, this is a great template. So this is our template folder. I will just put into my local computer. I will just select it and grab to this folder, and now I extract it. I will close it and I just click on our folder. There has CSS font, JS and CSS. I don't worry about those things. So you must have index.html file in your downloaded folder. Just check on it. Then I will double click on this file or open it on Google Chrome. This is my downloaded template and it's on my local machine folder path. This is not domain. I can edit those parts using code editor. So yeah, let's add this template to code editor. I will close all those tabs. I hope you understand how to get free template. Now I will add this folder to file editor. So I will use text editor called Sublime Text. You can check that text editor on Google. Sublime Text 3. So you can download it for free. Just click on this download link, and I already downloaded. You can download it to your local computer and install it. So I already installed it. I will just select it, Sublime Text. Then this is my one of old code. I will click on file and open folder. After that I will select my folder path and paste it on here and press enter. This is our template file folder. I just click on it and select it. So I will just close it. So our file is open. So now we can edit this code, and when we edit it, we will able to change this part as we want. For now we will edit this selling part. I will just copy this selling part and I go to my code editor and press Ctrl F and paste the selling part into I am trying to find this selling part. So I just press enter. There is selling part. So I will click it and I will edit it. Lazy developer, and I will save it. Then I run the file. You see, I just replaced that part. So this is how we edit this template as we want. I will explain the better way. For today, this is the video. I hope you enjoy it and you get an idea about choose free template and how to add it to our local file. So see you in next video. Bye.